Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. So thank you for stopping by. So today I'm gonna show you how I grow pumpkin in Jamaica. Some very easy tips. Growing pumpkin take like about 3 months to 4 months before harvest, and it's an easy crop, easy to maintain, don't need a lot of water. So I'm gonna show you how I start my pumpkin farm in Jamaica. And a lot of guys wondering, how will I get my pumpkin seed? Where would I get my pumpkin seed? But normally, if you go to the market and you see one of the market vendors selling some pumpkin, all you have to do is pick out a nice variety of pumpkin and cut it and take the seed from it. So let's get right into the video and show you what I do, how I grow my pumpkin in Jamaica. So first, I'm gonna prepare the land. I don't know how much acres of pumpkin you want to plant. If you want to plant some backyard pumpkin, so first you're gonna prepare the land, right? So normally I have right here, I have some dry seeds of pumpkin right here. You see it? Yes, I have some dry seeds of pumpkin. So normally you can plant the green, also the dry. Planting the green seed, like you just buy a pumpkin, you're gonna cut it and take the green seed from it and plant it. In that way, you're gonna get a lot of variety of pumpkins, right? But the green, when you plant the dry one, right, you're gonna get mostly 1 or 2 different strain of pumpkin when you plant it dry. So prefer your type, how you wanna plant your pumpkin. Normally pumpkin take like about 3 to 4 days before germination. Maybe you wanna plant organic pumpkin, maybe you wanna plant, it's your choice, but organic is the way to go. But now I'm planting some pumpkin, but I'm gonna use some fertilizer today. Yes, because I'm gonna fast crop come in, and you know fertilizer boosts up the crop and everything. So I'm gonna show you how we get into that in just a moment. I'm gonna show you some size of pumpkin in the backyard, and leave in the comment section where you're watching from if you learned something from Fire Reid. So I have my fertilizer here. I think it's 2020 fertilizer, and this is the seeds. And I also have my hook pipe machine right here. So normally when I just planted my seeds, I'm gonna show you how. Yeah man, see who ya? Yeah man, this we use dig up the land, you know? Dig up the land. Yeah man, so see if you prepare a little bit tighter, I show you what I want. Just a dig a one hole so now. Yeah man, see soil there? Pretty soil, see it? Yeah man, so this is soil. Rich soil. So normally I would plant like 1, 2, 3, 4 pumpkin seed to be safe. Alright? So I'm gonna take you into it and how I plant my pumpkin seeds. So this is my pumpkin seed. So I'll be planting 4 pumpkin seed inside of the soil. Yeah man, so clean out them rock stone here. Let's tap it a little bit. Show the sign of some form of love. So after that, I have a little bit of fertilizer. For you want it to get some, you want to boost the pumpkin, right? You're gonna throw a little bit of fertilizer. This is not organic, but a little bit of fertilizer. So in 3 to 4 days time, you see a little bit of germination right here. Look at this. This is like about 7 days after germination. Look at this, guys, what I encounter with the pumpkin, right? You see that slime right there? This is some form of slug. So you see all this eaten by slug. Yeah, man, so you have to be careful when you're farming pumpkin. Look at the leaves. Getting destroyed by slug. So normally you would set some form of slug bait so you can get rid of all those pests. Yeah, man, see it there? So guys, if you need some right growth of your pumpkin, normally you do some form of pruning. So you're gonna find the root. When you find the root of the pumpkin, like you find the root right here, that's the root right here. So you see like where you see like all these little vines, right? You're gonna do some pruning. So you're gonna get the right growth of your pumpkin. Pruning is very important. So you're gonna prune it. And you're gonna see the growth of your pumpkin. Yeah, man, so it's a slug in the night. Them eat off the pumpkin. Yeah, man, eat off the pumpkin. So this is what you use to kill your slugs. Look at this. So yes, my people, this, see it there? Yeah, man. Can't really see the writing, but this here, what them call him, plant guard, slug and snail liquid. So yeah, man, so you need to set this in the farm if you have slug giving you problem, snail. Yeah, man, this kill all of them. But you have to set it at night. So normally I set it with some rice. Yeah, man, so you save your crops from getting eat down. Yeah, man, see it there? Yes, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, early morning for the pumpkin farm. So I'm going to show you some of the challenges what I encounter when growing pumpkins. Sometimes a lot of people get up and them wonder how their pumpkin eating off. They realize them pumpkin cut off either by some insect. and sometimes you see some snail, some slimy, shiny stuff that is snail destroying the pumpkin. I have a thing with them call him cutter cutter. Yeah man. So see it right here. So the pumpkin them green and pretty. Yeah man. So this, see where cause the problem now. Them are the snail, you see them? Yeah man, the snail. Them they are the snail. Yeah, me not touch them. You see there? Them snail will eat down a lot of your pumpkin, guys. Come on, see the pumpkin farm there. Yeah man, see there. So normally, as I said, pumpkin don't take a lot to grow. And you see them bush here. Once the pumpkin go over it, gonna spread over it. So these bush not gonna cause any problem. Yeah man, so just grow some pumpkin in the backyard. A lot of pumpkin, guys. So welcome to Fire Reid Pumpkin Farm. So a lot of people scared to do some farming because of the sun hot. So all you need to do, get up early in the morning, do some farming, break from the sun in the middle of the day, do some farming, and in the evening time, when the sun cool, yeah man, you still can do some farming same way. See a lot of pumpkin, guys, look. Look at this one right here. Normally, I weed around it. So when I weed around it and till the soil, you find the pumpkin find to draw more root. When I weed around it, so you have, see all these fresh dirt, pumpkin are going to find more ways to draw more root in the dirt. And I normally mold my pumpkin also, guys. So yes, my beautiful people, yeah man, so you don't know that's the farm life and the country life. So we love it, so we do it in the country. So to all the ghetto youth them feel like say them give up on life, just farm something in the backyard, a lot of land around us. Just plant some pumpkin, easy catch crop. So thank you all for watching. Fire Reid Pumpkin Farm. One love, one heart. Yeah man.